Hello, I am Ankur Hazarika and this is my channel Gitismita Hazarika on YouTube. And as you know that this channel is totally based on helping the CBSE students on covering their various topics in their day-to-day life or their day-to-day study life. And this channel is made to help the students of various sections to cover out their various syllabus. And in this due course, we will be talking about chemistry today. So chemistry for the SO2 syllabus, that is a summative assessment second syllabus, we will be covering on the carbon and its compound, that is the one of the chapters of chemistry. So in this due course, that is the carbon and its compound, the chapter, in this chapter we will cover out that what is carbon. In our life we always ask that there is carbon in the body, we have carbon, what we eat is carbon, but actually what does this carbon mean? Now what is that carbon? Again we will talk about its internal structure, that is this internal structure of carbon, that is we will be talking about its tetravalency, that is the valency of carbon. Along with that, we will come for the new word called catenation, because this is all about the organic chemistry, that is the chemistry related to carbon. Is a department of science that is called the organic chemistry, and in this organic chemistry we are to know about carbon. So in due course of knowing about carbon, we will carry out these three things, that is what is carbon, regarding the internal structure, what is tetravalency for carbon, and what is catenation. After knowing all these things, we will come to organic compounds. Now what are organic compounds? I will carry out that in our next videos, but simply we are to know that the organic compounds will be one such thing that we will cover under this chapter. Now when we know about organic compounds, we will come to know about functional groups. After functional groups, one of the functional group would be hydrocarbons, that is the most important organic compounds of functional group. Now after hydrocarbons we will come to know about the nomenclature of the hydrocarbons, that is ethane, methane, how these names came into view. Then in hydrocarbons we will come to know about the types of carbon chain that is present between the carbon. When we take a hydrocarbon, we can find its internal structure and external structure. In internal structure we can find various carbon chains, but how these carbons are interlinked, that we will come to know. How the various chains are present, branched or other such chains we will come to know. Then we will talk about the various chemical properties of carbon compounds, that is here we will talk about burning, combustion, substitution reaction, addition reaction, and very much things, that is hydrogenation and other such things will be covered. Along with that, we will talk about two of the most important thing, that is ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and that is ethanoic acid, or another sense we can say as acetic acid or the vinegar. After all these things, we will talk about the micelle structure of soap, that is we will come to know about soap and its manufacturing process. Along with that, we will come to know about the micelle structure that a soap undergoes so as to clean out the various dirts, and one of the things should be talking about detergents. We will talk about the action of soap and detergents with soft water and hard water. Then we will distinguish between the soap and detergent and how does it work. And finally we will come to an end of this chapter. Regarding detailed views of these topics, you can watch the other videos that I would be giving you, or I will be uploading in the recent times. So for today, thank you, and I would definitely ask my viewers to subscribe the video so that I could provide you my best of things that I have for the syllabus of class 10 9 or 8 or other classes. And I would try my level best to carry out all the syllabus and all the problems that a general student undergoes in its academic career. And I would like to enlighten the students or the various my friends, I could say, so that we could together actually proceed for a greater future. Thank you.